Hello guys, welcome to First Class Academy. Today we are talking about conditionals. Um, let's go and talk about all the conditionals. Here we have a summary of conditionals. We have the zero conditional, the first, second, and third conditional. Zero conditional. For the zero conditional, we use the present simple. If you heat ice, it melts. Condition real, result real. For the first conditional, use the present simple and well. If I do exercise, I'll be healthy. Condition possible, result possible. Second condition. If I met Elon Musk, I would say hello. Conditional real, result impossible. Third condition. If she had studied harder, she would have passed the test. Condition impossible, result unreal. Let's focus on our topic, the second conditional. The second conditional uses a simple past tense after if, then would, and infinitive. If plus past simple would plus infinitive. If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. If I met the Queen of England, I would say hello. Second condition, formation. If plus past simple plus would plus base form. For example, if I were you, I'd turtle. Okay, condition. Past simple, result, would plus base form. If I had the time, I would learn Italian. Situation. Impossible. I don't have the time, so I'm not going to learn Italian. Condition. If I won the lottery, past simple, result, would plus base form, I would travel around the world. Unlikely. There is a very small chance of winning the lottery, so the trip is unlikely. Okay, that was everything, guys. If you want private lessons, you can contact me. Here is my number for online lessons. Okay, pueden contactarme para clases privadas o clases de 5 personas. Aquí está mi número para que puedan contratar mis servicios. Thank you for your time, guys. Goodbye.